Good morning, this is Steve Freed with the grain comments after the USDA December supply and demand report. Basically, most people are calling this a very dull report. Not a lot of changes. Right now, we've got soybean prices up 2 cents on the March at 9.14. March corn's up 2 cents at 3.77, and March wheat's at 5.26, about up 4 cents. The USDA basically on the U.S. wheat supply and demand lowered imports 15 million bushels, raised exports, and the stocks were down 40 million bushels. But world wheat stocks were a record 289.5 million tons due to increase in China production, increase in Europe and Russia production, while Southern Hemisphere wheat production was down. They also lowered world domestic wheat usage 1.5 million tons and trade 1 million tons. Basically, the world soybean stocks were raised 1 million tons due to a higher China crop, and the world corn stocks numbers was also raised 4.5 million tons due to a higher China crop. So all in all, I think the market now is going to look at some of the news outside that might affect the dollar, that might affect money flow. Farmers still not selling a lot of grain. Cash basis levels continue to be firm domestically. So did soybean prices. This past week, from a trade situation, China did come in and start buying U.S. beans. I think they had run out of the number of licenses of the 10 million tons, so they have bought maybe 2 million tons this week. I don't know if it really affects global numbers as much as the market might anticipate. And we're still waiting to see if the U.S. imposes new tariffs on December 15th of additional Chinese goods. Everything indicates from officials in Washington that they may just pass that deadline down the road and try to get some kind of resolution in phase one. South American weather, Brazil is good. Argentina weather is dry, but we could see some rains. We have to watch that pretty closely. So pretty much nothing to report. We'll move ahead to the January report, which the USDA can change production. They might lower U.S. corn exports. We'll see what they do as far as South American crops, because basically it's a little bit too early right now to change the South American crops, and they really couldn't change U.S. production. All in all, kind of a nothing report. Beans up 2 cents. Trading range between $9 and $9.20 on the March. Corn up 2 cents. We'll probably have a range between $3.70 and $3.85. And wheat's up 4 cents at $5.26 with support $5.20, then $5. Resistance at $5.40. Again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.